left over crest, 200. Keep right, slide right, along flat crest, okay, 4 feet into one left line, 60, left over crest.
Good morning, friends. It's pretty early in the morning now. I guess I'm still looking really fucking tired. We are in Germany, close to the border to Czech Republic, close to the city of Passau, and we are visiting the WRC, the World Rally Cup, the Central European Rally, this weekend for like Friday to Sunday. Yeah, I thought I'd just bring you guys along today. We'll do some POV photography. Yeah, let's just see how it turns out, I guess. I reckon I could go on the other side. Shoot him like this, nice and low. What? Believe in what?
Should we leave?
Or should we leave? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. Two. After stage 10 we leave. Can you place it somewhere like that? Chris, would be good if you could pull up navigation because I need the battery for recording. Alright, so we're now standing here in the corner with a shutter speed of 1/160th to get like nice panning shots. f2.8 is an aperture. You could like close it down even more, but that way I don't need to crank my ISO. I think I might like close the aperture up just a bit so that it's easier for the autofocus and just go with 200 ISO. And I reckon that this might work pretty good. The only problem is I think the sign here might fuck with my autofocus when I try to track the car, but we'll see. Oh shit! Damn! Whoa, that's sharp ass. I thought they might go faster than that.
No, they really slow down. That's where
Yeah.
the safety car went. So he's not wrong.
What, you want to get into WRC as a career?
Yeah.
Chris would be the guy cleaning the cars.
Have to start from the bottom. Alright, there you go.
Same as with porn. Start with grannies and then work your way up. Yep. They're coming. Holy fuck! I need some drink. Hello. Don't drink alcohol, kids. It's not good for you. Except for situations in which you're standing next to a track with cars going so fast that they could kill you in an instant. Then it's okay to be drunk. And the next car is coming. Get the camera ready. When I get a lot of photos like this, like shooting on a high, like on continuous, I like to zoom into the photos in camera already, see if they are sharp. So I'm zooming in, and on the sharp ones I give them a rating in camera. That makes it way easier to select them once it goes into editing. Another thing to keep in mind is when you take a lot of photos, you will drain your battery quite fast, so always keep a spare battery in your pocket, so you can just on the spot pop the old one out, throw a new one in, and you just can continue on shooting without missing anything. Oh, I can hear the next one. That was quick. Okay, I'm zooming in a bit more on this one, just seeing how it looks like. Maybe like something like roughly 80 millimeters. Let's go. Right, boys, we going? All right. Hey friends, what's good? So it's been a few days, weeks, maybe a few months since filming the video and since we went on the trip. Yeah, it took me quite some time to get the edit out, and it took me quite some time to film this outro because I forgot to film an outro on the spot. The reason is I don't really feel that great in terms of creativity, in terms of content lately. Just so you guys know, Christopher, Sam and I have already planned the next trip, or actually 2 trips. The next one is going to happen in a few weeks. It's going to be in the UK. We're going to shoot some crazy cars there. It's all organized by Sam, big shout out already. The next trip will be in Portugal actually. We'll be flying down to Portugal for 1 week, and we will be meeting up with Billy, who's joining us in addition to Sam and Chris. So we'll just go to the beach, chill a bit, we'll get a rental car, just doing some trips with the boys. But we will also be shooting the WRC in Portugal, just as we did on the Central European Rally you've been watching right now. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update about all of that, just so you know how things are going, in case you're interested. I don't even know if you are. And with all that said and done, thanks for watching the video. I hope you had a great time. Maybe you learned something, or just enjoyed your stay. Now all that's left to say is I wish you a great day. I hope to see you in the next one. Make sure to check out me as well as the boys on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.